Imagine waking up every morning to an alert on your phone, notifying you that while you were sleeping, your bank balance grew. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's entirely possible. And today, I'm going to show you how you can create your first $10,000 in passive income. Let's dive into a journey that shifts your financial future from active to passive earnings, one step at a time. Step number one, identify your niche. The first step in creating passive income is to choose a niche that resonates with your interests or existing skills. Are you a tech wizard? Or maybe you have a knack for crafting? Your niche is the cornerstone of your passive income empire. Choosing the right one is like choosing a companion for a long journey. It has to be a perfect fit. Step number two, create a digital product. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or a set of how-to videos, creating a digital product is like planting a seed that will grow into a money tree. Think about what unique knowledge you can package. But remember, the internet loves specifics. The more focused your product, the better. Secret number one, automation is key. Once your product is ready, automate the selling process. Set up a website with a payment gateway, use email marketing tools to reach your audience, and let automation do the selling for you 24/7. Isn't it exciting to earn money while you're watching your favorite show or even while you're asleep? Step number three, explore affiliate marketing. Here's a fun question. Who wouldn't want to earn money by basically doing nothing? Affiliate marketing can be your gold mine. By promoting other people's products, you can earn commissions without dealing with inventory or customer service. Just make sure you choose products aligned with your niche and you trust. Your reputation is your currency here. Step number four, invest in rental properties. If you're not shy about making initial investments, purchasing a rental property could swiftly bring you closer to your $10,000 passive income goal. Real estate has long been a pathway to wealth. Your properties work for you, securing a steady stream of income over time. Secret number two, diversify your streams. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Combining different passive income streams can significantly lower risks and increase earnings. Digital products, affiliate marketing, and real estate? That's a trio that sings success. Can you feel the excitement bubbling up as we talk about your future filled with financial freedom? But here's a critical tip. Stay patient and consistent. Passive income is about building wealth slowly and steadily. Now, before we wrap up, if nurturing your body is as important to you as nurturing your wealth, why not jump right into our next video, 12 easy exercises for kids at home? It's perfect for keeping the little ones active, and the whole family can join in. Remember, daily insights await when you hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below if you're ready to embark on this passive income journey or share your experiences. Which step are you most excited about? Let's chat and grow together.